Who be the vulcanizer one day here?
Yes, I did.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir. What do you want to do, sir?
I want you to pump the 4 tires for me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Do you collect transfer?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Call your account number.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Your account number, please.
Are you interested or you are not interested? Not interested? Go on your
Where
way.
is this guy now? Plus this guy not serious. So, you leave me, they go follow woman. They go, for what now?
Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ yo mogo. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fọ́ fún tẹ́ gbé mu. Tẹ́ zero ọmọ wo wá rè nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà.
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus!